Welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a really simple recipe for lemon American buttercream. Let's get started.
Only 3 simple ingredients. We need half a cup or 125 grams of butter, 3 to 4 cups or 500 grams of powdered sugar, and 2 to 4 tablespoons freshly squeezed lemon juice. You can use bottled, but the flavor can sometimes be somewhat lacking, so I prefer fresh. First of all, I juice the lemon. An average lemon will give you about 4 tablespoons of lemon juice, but make sure you get out all the seeds. Set it aside until you need it. Now cream the butter with the mixer. Feel free to cream as long as you want to get the creamy consistency you want. Add about half the powdered sugar and combine. This will be a bit dry. To get it back to buttercream consistency, add a tablespoon or 2 of lemon juice. Add the rest of the powdered sugar and beat until creamy. If the buttercream is too thick or too dry, add another tablespoon of lemon juice just until you get the consistency you want. Feel free to beat as much as you want to. Finally, scrape the sides of the bowl with a spatula. And done! I hope you enjoyed the recipe today and that it helps you make the perfect tangy buttercream for your project. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes and hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we've uploaded a new video.